Well, we're at Gobblers Knob, guys. Made it from bottom of 1700 over here. Seem to be taking a few wrong tracks today. It's kind of bugging me. That's the brakes though. I got sweat absolutely dripping off me right now. Oh, right. Gobblers Knob, let's go! Gobblers Knob! Yeah! Gobble, gobble, gobble! Gobble, gobble! Let's go! Gobble, gobble! Yeah! Gobble, gobble, gobble! Jump! Whoop, whoop, whoop! Roll it! Roll it! Oh, shit! Oh, hope it didn't get punched up. Fuck, it sucked to be me if I did. Oh shit! Oh, that's priceless. Trying to adjust my camera, wasn't paying attention to where I was going. Next minute, I come off. Oh no! Okay, that's going to be a highlight. Just saying. That is funny as fuck. Oh, that's actually really funny. Okay, not paying attention. I was trying to get my camera set up, sort it out a bit better, get it up just a bit higher, and took my eye off the road, off the track, and ended up falling over. Serves me right. Holy shit! Wow, that wasn't expected. Wasn't planned, but oh well. Roots, 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 so many roots. Yeah. So fucking funny. I was like, ah, it's gonna crash. No. Oh, damn it. Oh, well. At least it was an easy fall. Oh. At least it was an easy fall. Hey. Yeah. Oof. Bottomed out on one of my pedals. Had it in the wrong position going around that corner. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Hey. Bridge. We go easy, go right. Go easy, go right. Could go hard, but nah, fuck it. Might as well make it easy. Go right. Don't know where that other track comes in from. Must be the hard section. Tees back in, loops back around. Jump. Corner, sharp corner. No, not really. I lied. Sweating like a pig. Holy shit balls. Jump. sharp corner. Fucking I love the Gobblers Knob. It's such a cool, fast little track to do. Absolutely mean. Hey, small jump. Caution jump, we go right. Not taking that jump. Not today. One day maybe, just not today. Easy, straight ahead. It loops back round and meets up with the hard track. Go left. Get in the berm. Go left. Jumps. Tabletop. We're in the jump track now. Oh, this must have been what I did yesterday. Yeah, it was too. Oh, holy shit, I did Gobblers extension yesterday and I didn't even realise. Oh, mate. I loved this part of the track yesterday when I was out here. It's just a shame I left my GoPro there yesterday. But that's all right. It's a shame I left my GoPro at home yesterday. Gives me but it gave me a good excuse to come back out here today. Bring my GoPro, get the footage, go for a run round again. I don't need any more motivation than that. So this must be Gobblers extension. Almost sure. So I saw the sign Gobblers extension and I took the other way. And then I saw it loop back round onto this trail. I'm like, okay. Oh, this is gorgeous, man. So gorgeous being in this part of the trail. It's my favourite part of the trail, this track. I don't get sick of, I haven't got sick of doing it yet. It's so cool to do. Oh. We should be looping up with, connecting back up with Big Willy shortly. I think this is it here actually. Yeah, maybe. One of these turns is, yeah, I think it's this one. Maybe we should start seeing the two-way sign soon. And that will tell me I'm on Big Willy again. Yeah, we're on Big Willy, I'm sure of it. I can see the lake through the trees. It's been a gorgeous run this morning. Absolutely love doing these trails today. And besides the fall I had, which is actually kind of amusing because I set that up for a fail. Kind of funny actually. Yeah, we're on Big Willy. There's a lake's on our right, so we've got to take it nice and easy through here. Make it a nice ride round the lake at a to-date pace. Yeah, there we go, two-way sign there on my right, just past it. Ah, oh, look at this, eh? This is what it's all about. Oh, that view. Let's see if I can see it on my phone. Hopefully this camera's going to do it justice. What a gorgeous lake. Absolutely stunning. Didn't think I was the only one here when I got here. Had a lady turn up for a walk around the lake with a dog on Big Willy. Should be well and truly gone by now. Don't know if any other people have turned up yet. I haven't heard them if they have. Mind you, I've been over way over the other side, so it's not as if I would have been able to hear them. Unless they're busy yapping away or playing music. Big Willy's a nice track to do. A lot of families do it for their walk around. We'll bring the kids around Big Willy. So I found going around most of the trails today, I've been in my third power setting, ETMB. The only time I got out of that setting was going up to the top of 17 Undy when I was working up the trail. Then I got into turbo for a good chunk of it, not all of it, probably about a quarter of the trail up. Honestly, my ETMB setting is very versatile setting, and it does me in most instances. It was good to do, finally do 17 Undy. I'll have to figure out why I took the wrong path up there and came up on Dust Bowl. That shouldn't have happened. Yeah, that shouldn't have happened at all, because that could be quite dangerous, especially if other people coming down Dust Bowl. Not really cool at all. So I think the next time I come out, I'll see if I can get onto the right path up. Yeah, just more for safety than anything, eh? Oh shit! Oh, didn't turn sharp enough. Ooh. Caution, two-way sign. Got to ring the bell occasionally, you never know. Someone may actually be coming, you know. Bridge. That's a good way to finish off the day, I think, doing Big Willy. Take it at a nice slow pace. Cool down, wind down. Here we go. I think we're about to exit. Yep. Okay, that's Big Willy. Oh, far out, there are people here. Well, there's quite a few people in the park, in the car park. Looks like we've got some people coming out of the van by the looks of it. Oh, far out, gorgeous day. Gorgeous day. Heck yeah.